and that's the art. Okay, Bloom. So currently it's full price. I mean, yeah, after watching the cover picture I thought that's an anime project, but it's a brand project. Floor is 0.4 Ethereum right now. Items are 3K, which is pretty less. Good. So Twitter will be less followers. Yeah, of course. Twitter had 14.8K followers. What is IP? When you talk about IP, what means aesthetic, branding, vision, the close. Okay. Not the product itself, we will NFTs the man, the brand. Okay. And that's like so peaceful to watch. Bloom is a flower. Okay. They got their website up. No, that's not the website, I think. That would be the website. Oh, that's created by, that's the website, bloom.xyz. Okay. Website looks pretty good. I wish I could grab the flower. The first energy collection and post it here. New beginning, okay. So, oh, that's nice. When you scroll down, the images starts moving. In the beginning, it all started with one small seed, all the seeds, okay. The seeds, okay. The website, especially, I like that. I mean, it took a lot of time and hard work. Think of the clouds. I mean, the image moves. Okay. There was some lighting. Hey, that's nice. The website, especially, I like it. It's Web3 native, almost natural evolution lifestyle brand. Okay. Okay. They got Instagram too. Okay. What's happened to this project? This was recently minted, right? Yeah. That's not listed on variable. This one, yeah. Is this verified one? Not for Solana, that's not a variable. That was so high project. Who the posers? I never heard of that. The first PFP on pose. The first on chain on pose. Means posers here, okay? Posers are the first on chain PFP collection. That's a PFP collection, Ethereum transaction. Floor price is 0.06, which is pretty low, but okay. Items are 5K, maybe it was a free mint or something, I think. Yeah, that's a PFP project, and with this art. Okay. I think we've already almost talked to almost the top collections. There's another 10K TF. The fuck? Floor price is 0.4. Volt, Re, Note, Craftman, like Misan, famous for the most graded accessories, recently set up a shop in New Tokyo called 10KTF. Okay, they got a like RL shop. That's pretty good. Depending on the way, we miss accessories for apes, cat, robots, looks. Okay. Oh, nice. These are socks, right? Okay, socks. But actually, I like the socks. To be honest, this art on the socks are pretty good. And that's a unique thing. I've seen socks crafted, yeah, crafted socks. I see. That's pretty good. Let's see if I get to their website or something. Yeah, they got their website up. Connection is secure.